All right. So I just got an update from my attorney. We were supposed to have that hearing on Friday. And like I was telling you guys, family law is a scam. Well, this is going to be family law is a scam part fucking 3. All right? Check this out. My lawyer went to court today to represent me and essentially go up there to get some more dates. And gave me some concerning information. Basically saying like, hey, the new judge that's being assigned to family law knows nothing about family law. And my lawyer is now concerned because now we're dealing with someone who doesn't have any experience in the family court. This is concerning. I am fucking nervous now because now I went from a judge that was no nonsense, that was an advocate for families and an advocate for the kids and an advocate for fathers, and fathers being united with their children and raising them because he understands how important having a father in the child's lives are and how these mothers be playing games and using the system and all that shit. So everything was working to my advantage. Now I'm dealing with someone who knows nothing about nothing and is just pushing cases out deep off into 2024. So now my new hearing date is going to be, somewhere in March of 2024. So everything that was supposed to be going down is no longer going down. The clock is extended. The mother is allowed to keep on doing the fuck shit. And there's essentially nothing we can do about it. I mean, this is one of those situations to where I tell you guys, family law is a fucking scam. I'm almost inclined to sit up here and have a sit down with this crazy woman, and figure out a deal. But unfortunately, I've tried that before and you cannot negotiate with crazy. You know what I'm saying? You can't negotiate with terrorists. That's out. So now I have to essentially strategize with my attorney to figure out what our next moves are. Again, there's no winners. It's just a matter of how am I going to pull this off and figure out what are we going to do to make this better for the children. It's in the best interest of the kids, right? But that court, bruh, how are you guys making things in the best interest of the children if you putting a judge in there that don't know nothing about nothing? How in the fuck are the children going to benefit from that shit? You tell me. How are they going to benefit from somebody who don't know what the fuck they talking about? And now you about to have these lawyers up here hot-shotting and telling him what the law is. This is about to be a royal shit show. I think I know more about family law than this judge. The way my lawyer described this shit, it's almost like, bruh, I already have 2 to 3 years on the fucking judge already. Like, I got 2 to 3 years family law experience just because I've been through it. And now you're telling me I'm going to be working with somebody who don't know what the fuck they talking about? And then minors counsel's got to collaborate with this person? And minors counsel's got 30 years of experience in this shit, so they know what the fuck is going on. They know that all the egregious shit that, the mother's doing, they're aware of all of that. But now, what I'm saying, we're playing a game with a referee who don't know the fucking rules. So what are we going to do about this? This is essentially irritating as all dog shit. But we're going to find out. We're going to sit up here. We will continue to, what the fuck? We're going to sit here and continue to play the game. We're going to stay the course. And we're going to see how this pans out, because I am essentially making the example of everything that you can do right in court. Everything you could do right as far as the court orders go. I have not violated anything. I have met everything to the T. And when you're doing everything right in family court, all they're doing is extending the clock, just like I said before. We're going to meet to talk about our next meeting, and we're going to meet and we're going to set that date for a fucking few years down the line. I mean, we're already talking about end of Q1 2024, and then ain't even the end of 2023 yet. And that's just to get a fucking status. That's not even setting a trial date. We're going to have a trial. That's not even setting a trial date. We're just pushing this shit out for another 3 months. What are we doing here? Family law is a fucking scam.